How to sign out of Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can sign out of our Google account from Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to sign out of the Google account, first of all, you may just launch your device. After that, head over to the main settings of a device. It is one of the easiest way from where you can sign out. Just scroll down until you're able to find the option called Google here. Just tap on it. Or rather than that, above Google, you can find this option called accounts and backup. Just tap on it and look up for the account. You can find this manage account here. Just tap on it and look up for the account that you want to sign out from. This one right here, this is the account I want to sign out from. So what you're going to do is tap on this remove account, confirm it, and then that particular account will be removed from your device. So you will be signed out of that account from each and everything on your device. So that's how you basically sign out of your Google account in your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.